Hello guys, how are you? Actually, right now I am recording this video second time because initially I recorded with this hands-free or microphone. I use the microphone from this hands-free and it's a completely disastrous audio. So I have to record it another time with my regular hands-free. Actually, so let's start the video. Actually, it's not a video in which you will learn something or you will get to know something new. It's a video to announce something to you. Okay, so actually first of all let me introduce myself. My name is Arvind Thakur and I have completed my BTech in civil engineering, and right now I am pursuing my MTech in structural engineering. So as you may know that my background is from civil engineering, and I love to learn things in the design for AI field. Okay, so that's why I have chose to pursue my tech in structural engineering, and that's a good. So the announcement is that I'm going to start a vlogging related to my daily routine and something like that. Actually, it's not kind of daily routine, but it's a very specifically with the civil related things like as you may know that there are many software which you have to learn if you are a civil engineer, and many softwares which I am learning right now, and many softwares I will learn. So on those kind of softwares, when you are learning what difficulties you are facing and something like that, and it's not about the software, it's about the many other things like how to design. Just designing is a very tedious process sometimes. So I will try to just summarize, not summarizing, I should use different word for it. Let me just think about the word. I have to just showcase the various difficulties, various challenges which we face. Sorry. Okay, just which we are facing when we are learning something new, when we are creating something new, and particularly for the civil engineers. So it will inspire the lots and lots of students to do something like which I am doing, because what will happen in the last couple of 2 or 3 days is that I am familiar with the Revit. Okay, Revit architecture, so I can make as you may know that I can just create whatever I want in the Revit architecture. Okay, but I have seen a video on YouTube which states that you can draft. I mean, you can make a floor plan for a house or something like in the AutoCAD as well. I know you can do it, but it's a very tedious process. But after watching that video, I feel that it's a very easy thing, and it's a very fun to do. So I as you can see that in the background, I have just let me show you. It's actually right now I am making the elevation. Okay, but here this is the ground floor which I created. As you can see that it's not seeable, but you can see that, and that's the first floor which I created. Okay, and right now I am creating the elevation for it. So it's a very tedious process, and in Revit you will do it in just a couple of hours, and this thing which I am doing is I think 2 days. Yes, 2 days, but I'm not putting my whole time into this thing, so that's why it takes the 2 days. But it's a easy, and when you are doing this kind of thing, this kind of challenges, you will face the challenges. I mean, you will face the challenge, difficulties, something like, and the difficulties and challenges are not that big. I mean, actually, if you are just seeing these things, sometimes just try to make it. Okay, and tell me how was your experience. Okay, so difficulties. Okay, so let me talk about the difficulties. So difficulties are not very big and not very big deal, but difficulties are difficulties. Even the small difficulties small difficulties which you seems that okay, it's not a big deal, but when you are doing something creative and somewhere you are putting so much effort into it, and you are getting a single error, that time you will understand that the difficulties or even the small difficulties can bother you so much. Okay, so that's it. And I will do many things. It's just an example, because I mean many things which we can learn. Okay, so let me actually I'm just comprehending the whole new field right now. I'm just trying to understand the whole new field of design engineering. Plus I am trying to grasp the how do I explain it to you? I'm just trying to grasp the research thing, something like that, the research problem and something like that. And I just want to know how they will find the first of all the research problem, and then they will do some kind of things, and then they come up with the new things and something like that. It's a very fascinating topic. So from my channel, maybe you will get to know many things, maybe you will inspired a lot, maybe you will get bored a lot. But it's okay. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Okay, so that's it. Actually I don't want to just extend the video to the 6 minutes or something like that. Actually the first video which I have deleted is I think the 5 minutes long or something like that. It's right now 6 minutes, something like that. So okay, bye bye. So see you later in a few days, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, because if you're not subscribing, then forget about very 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 amazing things which I am going to do. Okay, so bye bye.